Hey, good morning, guys. All right, so welcome to my class. And this morning class, I'll be showing you a simple effect of my strategy. Okay, how simple is my strategy, and how you can use it to trade your live account effectively. So quickly, let me jump into that. But before going into that, I want you to click on the subscription button if you have not subscribed. So let's assume you're just watching my video for the first time. Click on the subscription button, and please help me to click on the like button. Doing this will encourage me to bring more videos for you that will help you to what trade the forex market successfully. All right, thank you, and you're blessed as you're doing so. All right, so here I'm going to be giving you the skeleton of my strategy before taking you to the main chart to show you how it works there. Of course, I have some setup already on my live chart, and here we just want to talk about the background of what we are going to be expressing over there. All right, so right now here it's how it works. Firstly, you need to first look for a previous support level. You need to look for previous support level, or a previous resistance level. Okay, so firstly, your previous support level, you're expecting the market to come back to test that previous support level to become the current support level. Okay, so let's assume this level is what is our previous support level. Okay, so let's assume that this level is our previous support level. What you need to do is mark out this level. All right, and you want the market to bounce back to this level again to give you a structure of something like a double bottom rather. All right, so once the market bounce back to this level, then you want to start buying from this level and take your TP around this area. All right, so that is how what we say the previous support level. What That's the first thing we are going to be targeting, and we want the market to reverse back to that level again for the second time or for the third time, and what you want to buy from that top and take your TP at the neck level here. All right, so that is for the first one. Then for the second one here, you want to look for the previous support level, resistance level rather. Okay, so that will be in this case. Let me clean the board. Alright, so in this case, it's going to be resistance level. So let's assume we have the previous resistance level to be around this area. Okay, so now we want to mark out this level out, and what the market wants to reverse back to this level, and you want to start selling from this top here, down here, and you want to take your TP around this level here, and you place your stop loss above it. Alright, so that is the simple of how the strategy is. Alright, so let's go to the chart now. Since you now understand that we are only going to be we are only going to be looking for the previous support level. We want the market to test it again to become support level again, then we buy from there, and we're going to be looking for the previous resistance level. We want the market to hit that particular area again to become another resistance for us, and what we saw from that level. All right, so now let's move into our chart and let's see how effective it is. Okay guys, so this is my chart, and I'm going to be talking about volatility 101S index, which is on higher time frame, on a 1 hour time frame. All right, so look at this market here. You can see here my mark out here. You can see where I started trading the market from, which is around this area. All right, which is around this area here. Here's the previous support level which I've gotten. All right, and I have to wait patiently for market to reverse back to that particular level again. And after marking out my area, I want market to reverse back to this particular level again, and now the market has reversed there. Then I'm good to I'm going to sell at this point. But when I entered the market here, it was this area which I took the trade for a sell. Okay, now why I took the trade for a sell here is because of the reverse pattern, the reverse movement that I've seen to this point. Now I want to believe that the market is giving me the downtrend structure, which is what are lower lows and lower highs. So that is what I got. So immediately the market is returning back here. What do? I have to enter the trade for the push down to continue. All right, and you can see to this point. But normally, let's assume I entered the market and I only sighted the market at this exact point. Okay, that means I'll be selling from this particular point here. All right, that'll be where I'll be selling. But I entered the market lately and I found it around this level, and I make this sell because I believe the market what has given me a structure of a downtrend. Okay, so here is going to be the lower high, and immediately the market is start pushing down. I enter the sell from here, and I want the market what to push down. So I entered a lot of position and I've closed some of my position because of this pullback that is happening. Now this pullback can be temporary pullback because we are still what expecting a downtrend structure. All right, and that is why I just left two positions opening, and what I place my FTP to be this area, because I still believe that the market is giving me a downtrend structure, which simply simple: a lower lows, lower highs, a lower lows, and this going to be a lower high, and after this lower high I'm expecting another push down to give me what, a lower lows. All right, and that is why I'm still holding. So the strategy is what is as simple as this. So I mark out this level here because I can see the market reacted so much at this level previously. You can see it first acted as support level here, now acted as resistance level, acted as resistance level, and what, another support level here also. And you can see market has previously pushed to that point again. So here is what, here is the area where market has reacted previously strongly. So that's why I'm waiting also for the market to also push in there and what, and start going down. And if not, my SL has been shifted to my what, to my entry. So if the market hits my SL, I'll still be out of this market with what, with no loss and what, with no profit, though I have closed some of my position, and that will serve as what, as my profit. But currently I'm still waiting for this market to what, to give me the structure of what, of a lower lows down to the what, to this point, and I'll close this trade. Now you may be wondering that why will I set my TP to be around this area? Why I set my TP to be around this area is because it's kind of a major level for the market. As you can previously see, the market has reacted at this area so many times. You can see that market has reacted at this area what, so many times. So I still expect the market to come here and what, at least react. As we all know that at our support and resistance level, there's always a new decision from the market, either to get rejected at this point or what, or to keep pushing down. Since I don't really know what the market is going to do at this particular point, then that's why I have to place my TP here, let the market hit my TP. If the market is going to be reversing, then we know what to do then, and if it's going to break down, then we look for what, we look for the next solution to what, to that particular market. So that is what I said I'm going to be showing us this morning on my chart. So please do subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing more videos of how this strategy works on other indices and how you can use it effectively. So I want you to do this on your demo account first. Have trust in the strategy before you can start using it on your live account. And if you have any question, please contact me or drop it on the comment box, and I'll reply to them correctly. Thank you, and see you in my next video.